Hey guys, so I just invited this dude to come play with me. And I've never played with him before, don't know his name, nothing. He says he's 13, has played since he's 8. I'm 14, I've played since I'm 9, so we got the same experience. He's probably played a lot more creative though, I'm guessing. Or actually more survival. So, this is my first go at Lisbeth's blacksmith. So, this is the experienced. This is the level 2. I haven't built level 1 yet. Level 1 is like noob. And level 2 is like realistic. So first, you want to start by getting a clear area. Then you're going to want to mark it out. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to level this out some more. Now that we got a big open clear area now, I'll be able to build the blacksmith. Now, if you want it to be even more realistic, you're gonna want to find the nearest water source, and you want to build a stream there, which I'll do that next. And this will be my first time building a water wheel, but so hopefully I do good. But I've never built like one of those water wheels that generates electricity. So, you're gonna start by marking out. Yeah. So first thing you're gonna want to do is, since the stream is gonna be coming this way, I'm gonna want to build my thing with this side, the back, and this side, the front. So, first thing you're gonna want to do, if that's the back, now that all the interruptions are finally done, so this side's gonna be the front, that side's gonna be back. The stream's gonna come up through here, come down through here, and around the back. So, I have my blueprints out, which this is gonna take me a while. Probably 30 minutes or more. First thing we have to do is we have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then come over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Go down 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? No, I built up 2 more. No, we do want a 6 up. Sorry, I'm new to tutorials still. There's my new friend over there playing. Well, we're not necessarily friends, but I'm letting him build and we'll probably keep playing together. I think he's building like a modern day building. So next you're gonna want to come down. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then you want to come like this. You're going to want to dig all this out while you're at it. Be back once I get this done. So now I have it dug out. I'll go ahead and fill these in. Right over here, you're going to want to dig down one and go up like this. Yeah, I told you he was building a modern house. He's a pretty good builder. Marley! No, slow down. Talking to my dog, he eats food and then drinks water too fast, and then he'll puke. Just a second. So, you're going to want to fill this in. And you're going to want to fill this in. Did I build this on the wrong side? I fucking did. And it'll work. Actually, this thing's better. Yeah, this is a lot better. I think I figured out how to build the wheel. Tiger King, Joe Exotic. So now you're going to want to come out like this, 3 over. Three out. Fill this in. Then come 4 down. Then you're going to want to dig 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the way 14 across. Then once you're done with that, you want to take fences. You want to put some... Wait, what? That was weird. Put fences here. Fences here. Like that. Two, 3, 4, 5. Actually, we're just gonna do 4. Next, you're going to want to come and you're going to want to go 13. Now you're going to want to go 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That should make... No, that'll make 9 on the inside. Then you're going to want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then you just want to connect them back up. Now, I'm going to try something that I've never done before. See if it works. I'm going to try controlled explosions to clear this place out. Oh, I went a little bit too far, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what we're going to do, turn the volume up, get flint and steel and TNT. Put TNT there, light it. There, I got rid of just quite a bit of it. I made a lot of progress in these last 13 minutes. I figured this to be like half an hour. It might not even be that. Apparently my controlled explosion wasn't completely controlled because it destroyed one fence. Sad day indeed. So now, It's gonna take me a little bit to do this because I gotta figure out what block I actually need to use. Okay, I know what we're going to do. Now I know what we're going to do. You want to fill it in all the way around here. I'm getting pretty good at controlled explosions. I'll make another video once the stream's all done. It'll probably be later today. Now you're also going to want trapdoors of some kind. And you're going to want smooth stone slabs. I mean smooth stone. Like that. My back's starting to hurt. So now once you're done with this, we want to fill this in. Stop it! Stop it. Sorry, my dogs are playing. Okay, so. Damn, my phone keeps coming unplugged. Okay, so. You want fill this in, you're also going to want lanterns. The reason I invited this guy is because I need somebody to help me build this. And I need, whoa, that is awesome! Dude, that is awesome! Now once you're done with that, you're going to want to put that last lantern in there. And then you're going to want to do this all the way around and make it a point. I'll come back to that later. But you guys are going to want to do that. Oh, somebody stop. Damn dogs are getting my recording. So you want to fill these walls in. After you do that, you're going to want to go like this. Let's just look at what this guy's building. This guy's good. Now, if you guys know anything about SAO, you probably know what's coming next. If you've seen any of the original SAO seasons. Or if you've seen any of her blacksmith shop. This is a single door. I'm used to putting 2 doors on the new one. Let me just play the episode real quick. Okay. So it's a little tiny counter right here. Then you have tables right here. Sorry, this is my first time. Next, you want to put this right here. Then, you want to take glass, put it right there. Take item frames, put them right there. And I built this a little bit wrong with the materials, but it's fine. Okay, so you also want to take the item frames. You want to put them on here for your weapons. And then there's also that. Then you can take whatever color carpet you want, which for the sake of it, wait, no, I was wrong. You don't do this. That's what I'm used to doing. What you do is you take yellow banners, you put them right there. Stop! 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 No! And they're not gonna listen. So now, the blueprints say you want to take nether brick, fireplace, and iron bars. Place another brick like this. Sorry, wrong. Like this. Now you got the fireplace. Next, and this is my little feature for just this purpose, I'm going to put chest right there. A double chest. Hey! Knock it off! This is the longest tutorial I've done. Also, mate, put it down! You don't rip my bandana apart.